Welcome to my channel. We have now a number chart from 1 to 100. This time, we will identify prime and composite numbers, including special number. Let's start with the only special number, which is 1. Let me proceed with composite number. Let us remember that a composite number is a number where there are 2 or more factors. In short, composite numbers are even numbers except 2, because 2 is the only even number that is prime. All even numbers started with 0, 2, but it's no longer a composite number because it's a prime number. So next to 0 is 4, 6, 8. When it is a double-digit number or 3-digit number or more digit number, as long as these even numbers is in the ones digit or ones place, you can now consider 2 as a composite number. But if we talk about 2 as a single number, well, it is always considered as prime unless you will include 2 in a 2, 3, 4 or more digit number, where 2 is in ones place. Okay, let us continue with composite numbers. Let's identify those 0 digit that is in ones place. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now, except 2, let's look for those double-digit number that have 2 in ones place. 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92. Now, let's encircle 4 because it's a composite number. Then let's look for another double-digit number that has 4 in one's place. So we have 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94. Now, with a double-digit number that have 5 in one's place, of course, it is always divisible by 5, except 5, because 5 is a prime number. But if you will include that in a double-digit number where 5 is in one's place, then that is already a composite number. Let's encircle 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Another even number. We will consider 6 as a composite number. 6, then 16, 26, 36, 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, 96. We also have 8. So 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, 98. Let's look for a double-digit number that have the same digit. Like 33. This is composite number because 33 is divisible by 3. Okay, let's encircle. How about 77? 77 is composite because it is divisible by 7. Let's encircle. And also 99. Okay, next. Let's look for a 2-digit number where when you add the digits, the sum is divisible by 3. Okay? 11, 1 plus 1 is 2. It's not divisible by 3. 21, 2 plus 1, it's 3. So 3 is divisible by 3. Oh, let's encircle. This is 4, no. This is 4 plus 1, it's 5, no. 5 plus 1 equals 6, and 6 is divisible by 3. Okay, that means this is composite. 6 plus 1, 7, it's not. 71, no. 81, 8 plus 1 is 9, and the 9 is divisible by 3. Okay, that means it is composite. 9 plus 1, it's 10. Okay, it's not. How about 13? 1 plus 3? No. 23, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 3? No. 4 plus 3? No. 5 plus 3? It's not divisible by 3. 6 plus 3, which is 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So this is composite. 7 plus 3? No. 8 plus 3? It's not because the sum is 11 and 11 is not divisible by 3. 9 plus 3 equals 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. That means that 93 is composite. Let's proceed with, okay, 7. 1 plus 7, it's 8. No. 27, 2 plus 7 equals 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. Okay, encircle. 3 plus 7, it's not. 4 plus 7, it's not. 5 plus 7 equals 12. Okay, it's divisible by 3. 67, it's not. 8 plus 7 equals 15, and 15 is divisible by 3. Okay, this is composite. 9 plus 7 is 16, and it's not divisible by 3. Let's continue here. We have, okay, 9 is a composite number because it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 1. So there are 2 or more factors, 3, 9, and 1. So let's encircle this because this is composite. 19, 1 plus 9, no, it's not. 29, 2 plus 9, not. 3 plus 9 is 12. Okay, divisible by 3. 49. 49, 4 plus 9 equals 13. But 49 is composite because this is divisible by 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Let's encircle this. We also have 59. 5 plus 9. No, it's not. 6 plus 9, it's 15, and 15 is divisible by 3. We have 7 plus 9, it's 16. 8 plus 9, it's 17, no? Okay. Let's look for more. What do you think? Are there composite numbers that are not yet found here? You have 1 plus 1, 3, 3. Okay, 91. 9 plus 1 is 10, which is not divisible by 3. But 91 is divisible by 7. So let's encircle this because 91 is a composite number. When you look at the remaining numbers, we will color that green because those are prime numbers already. I have put triangular line here under the 2, which is actually, it should be box. It's not triangle. But what is important there is at least I have explained already that 2 is the only even number that is prime. So this time, we will focus on the remaining numbers, which are primes or prime numbers. Okay, let's count all together later once I have boxed the prime numbers. We're done with 2. Okay, and then 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. Now, let's count all together the number of prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers, let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Did I miss something? Here. This is a prime number, 55, and that is the 25th prime number. So meaning there are 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. Thank you so much. I hope you understand.